and they are instructed and informed at this time that they are not to enforce the terms of the contract herein. Mr. McClellan, if you will convey to me within the next 24 hours an order book entry to this effect, I will sign it. The order book entry is to be dated as of this date.
So, Chavis, do you have any comment on the judge's decision today?
Well, it was not altogether unexpected. The fact that I asked him to withdraw from the case last Monday was basically because I felt that his decision might well be what it was, and also because of what I felt was his close relationship with the county commissioners. I just didn't see that this case would be decided in any other way.
You feel he decided because of his association with the commission?
I wouldn't go so far to say that. I just felt that it would be very, very difficult for us to escape any kind of decision but this one at this level.
Do you plan to go to other levels? What's the next step now as far as you're concerned?
So far as I'm concerned, I'm going to recommend that the decision not be allowed to stand without an appeal. I don't know what the general counsel of the union would want to do about it.
Mr. Lapin, do you have any comment on that?
Well, nothing other than I feel that the commissioners, by the powers granted them by the legislature, had the implied power to enter into this contract, and that this is a valid and lawful contract, which should have been recognized by our present commissioners, because it was entered into in good faith by the outgoing commissioners.
Would you take it to another court then?
Well, I feel, of course, that Mr. Chavis, who is counsel-in-chief here, gave you the answer on that. He probably will confer with other union officials and determine that action.
Mr. Buckles, do you have any comment on the judge's action today, first of all?
I have no comment at the present time. The matter is still in litigation. This was only a temporary hearing, and therefore I feel I should not comment.
Do you feel that the judge's action today gave the commissioners any power to hire people? Well, from a practical standpoint, can the people of Delaware County expect some highway workers in the near future?
Well, that matter is under consideration now, and I hope to be able to advise the commissioners in the near future on that point.
Could you tell us what the near future would be?
Well, I can't give you a time.